Yeah, I was just having breakfast in the house and I heard a bang on the window. There's the little birdie. Right by Cassie's soccer ball. I'll zoom in, I won't go any closer. Been here for about 15 minutes. I don't think anything is too damaged, I hope. But he's recovering right now. He's just getting his senses back. Probably was pretty dizzy after hitting that window. What a beautiful bird. I was in the house having breakfast and the bird hit that window there. I was gonna let the cat out, but I thought I better go check first. And there's the boss, guys. Good thing I didn't let him outside. I was gonna, but then that bird hit the window. And you can hear the pup in the house. She wants to go out, but I'm not gonna let no pets out while that bird is recovering. Gotta stay here, Sammy. And Cassie, you gotta wait too. This little bird was just sitting here. Right by Cassie's soccer ball there. She got for her birthday. And it's raining. Kind of a light rain. It's not too bad, but a little bit of rain coming. I think the bird will take off any time. It's just in a little bit of shock after hitting the window like that. A good bird, yes. Yeah, we'll make sure nobody gets you. Keeping Sammy in the house and Cassie. So you just hang out for a while. Yeah, no one's gonna hurt you here. You're safe there. And Kulika still has some planting to do. She did some with the pup the other day, but there's still more to do. Really green now. Look at these trees, look at the leaves. Let's go look at the grass too. The lawn is coming along really nice. We have to plant a bunch of seeds again, like reseed this lawn. Look at that. Nice and lush. There's an apple tree right there. And there's a cherry tree. There's some chicks up there. Look, there's one on top of that little birdhouse. I'll zoom in. Go in a little closer. You see them? Yeah. There's all kinds of birds around here in our yard. Let's go take a look at that little birdie again. Little chick. Yeah, he's still there, guys. Oh, he's starting to move a lot though. He's doing some movements. That's good. Take off. Go. There you go. Yeah, good. Good bird. He went in the tree here. There he is. There he is, guys. Yeah. He's starting to recover now. I think he's doing okay. Good bird, yes. Yeah, that's a good sign to see him fly in there to the trees. He's feeling better. Yeah.